Guys, magluluto na naman ako ng cupcake. Ayan. Ayan guys, malapit na maluto ang aming chocolate cupcake. Yummy! Ayan guys, luto na ang aming cupcake. Yummy! Ayan guys, ang aking cupcake is ready to eat na. Yummy, yummy. Okay guys, ito na yung second batch. Ayan. Ito naman yung yellow cake. So, naglagay na ako ng 3 egg and half oil. Half cup of oil. And then, the harina. That's add 1 cup flour. And then, the mixture of cake mixture, 1 box. Then, lagyan ko din siya ng 1 cup of water. And then, nilagyan ko rin siya ng konting milk. And then, mix na. Okay, guys. Ito na, luto na again. Yan, is hot. Ayan, mauubos na agad. Hindi pa tapos magluto, kinakain na ng aking 2 kiddos. Ito na ang third batch. Okay guys, hanguin na natin. Ito na yung last. Ito na guys, finish na ang chocolate cupcake at ang vanilla cupcake. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!